Allah has what? Favored us. What favor? You went through one problem, another problem, a third problem, a fourth problem, a fifth problem, so many problems, one after the other. When you came out of all those things, you forgot everything. It's okay. Why? I am with Allah. Allah raised me above you. وَقَدْ أَحْسَنَ بِي إِذْ أَخْرَجَنِي مِنَ السِّجْنِ. Yusuf alayhi salam, he is looking at the positive thing. He said, Allah favored me when He removed me from the prison. He didn't say, Allah punished me when He put me in the prison. He did not talk about going in. He spoke about coming out. In your life, in my life, when we have a problem, don't talk about the problem. Talk about how we came out of it. Look at the favors of Allah. Allah will give you when you thank Him. Allah will give you when you count the favors.